So like, if you think about monkeys in trees, when they swing, are their arms straight or are they bent?
This is very hard, I thought.
Yeah, it's harder. You want it to challenge. Go. And go. Come on. Yes! Feet up. Good. Next one's just as big. Come on. Go and grab it. Come on. Come on. Left hand up. You got it. Believe in yourself. Come on. Brilliant. Nice, dude.
Welcome to Flashpoint.
Okay, first steps, Ethan. Here we go. Hands on the holds, stand on the footholds, and then I'm just going to push with my legs to go up. It's a bit like climbing the ladder. Brilliant.
Oh, nice.
Easy, yeah? B is the easiest climbing grade in the centre. It goes up to about 12 in the centre. Yeah?
12?
12 being quite elite.
Okay.
Today, I think you've got a good chance of doing V1, maybe V2. Who knows? You're a strong boy, we'll see.
I don't know. So jump back.
Yeah. And roll. Nice. Notice you put your hands down.
Okay.
Yeah? You want to really avoid that at all costs.
Okay.
So you need to absorb the impact with your knees. Yeah? So bend your legs and then roll backwards. Yeah, exactly. All right, so let's step it up a notch. We're going to try this V0. So that's one of the first things you want to do and prepare yourself for climbing is just to have a look and think about where the handholds are, which ones you're going to grab.
Okay.
Yeah? And do you notice like this one's almost upside down? So you just have to think about how you're going to manipulate your hand to grab it. High foot maybe? Stand up. Stand up on your leg and get your other foot really high. Yeah, that's exactly it.
Here?
Well, that's blue, isn't it? On the yellow. That's it. Well done. That's it. It's about this height. I'd normally be comfortable just jumping off backwards. Remember to tuck and roll if you do.
Yeah. Has a lot of time too.
Yeah, nice. But if you get in the habit of just sort of going through this, like visualizing yourself do it, you don't have to think so much when you're on the wall.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can focus more on like placing your feet well and staying calm, being in balance, things like that. Okay. Don't put that other foot on so high. So if you watch me on the first move, when I'm here, I just push off the wall here.
Oh, I see.
And that creates the little, see I'm pushing with my leg, not pulling with my arms. And that gets me here. Yeah. Create that little, I want you to really exaggerate that. And this is literally pulling me across.
Yeah.
I'm trying to pull myself over there, yeah? Flip on a swing. And once I've got the swing going, I just go with the swing. There's a lot of tension in your arms.
Okay.
So like, if you think about monkeys in trees, when they swing, are their arms straight or are they bent? They're straight. Yeah. You can swing really well on straight arms.
Oh yeah.
It's actually really powerful to like go across with bent arms and quite tiring.
Okay.
Unless you can do a one-arm pull-up, that's going to be very difficult. Yeah, not many people can. Right? So what you've done here is we've got this big challenge.
Yeah.
We've just broken it down into bits. And it almost becomes like, I don't know, a choreography dance or something like that eventually.
Yeah.
You know, really refined sort of movement and steps. And that's how we sort of break through into new grades and new challenges. Yeah. Here we are, we're in the roof, the world of upside down. It's way more challenging, yeah? Key points, stay as relaxed as you can. Try and hang on straight arms. Yeah, if you're hanging on bent arms, you're gonna get very tired here, yeah?
Yeah.
So often if I'm stuck, I'm just like,
yeah.
try something different. It will have a different outcome.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
But the second you grab it, you are gonna need to like just lift your feet up onto these.
Yeah.
But that's where all that gym work's gonna help, all that core working. That was good though. You found that position, you got the hold?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, so it's just a case of like, do these bits and then slowly you can start putting these bits back together and get and then in time, once these techniques are more well drilled, you'll be able to do them in larger chunks to start with and eventually you just do them the first time. I suppose that's the one unique thing about our sport is it relies heavily on grip strength.
Yeah.
So all the other stuff you've done in your training you can bring to this.
Yeah.
But what other sports use grip like this? Not many.
Simon told me that climbing isn't about the strength, it's about technique, visualization, and learning to trust the process. Same lessons as a pool, different goal.